What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing spark plugs on an Etec Evinrude. We're going to be indexing those plugs. Showing you right here on this one, you can see I do it with the opening of the electrode and then make a mark right where that opening is. And you need that thing basically facing as close to the fuel injector as possible. So when the fuel's coming off and the spark is on the spark plug, they're meeting together. All right. Now if you do have one that you put in and you tighten it down and that line just will not go towards the injector, best thing to do is pull it back out, try it in another cylinder, because you do not want to go too much past probably a half turn on those crush washers. You will risk half turn past finger tight. You will risk breaking the plug in the head or stripping the head out. So as you can see on that one came out good. If I can find it in the camera. Lined right up with the injector.